Good morning, y'all. It is a beautiful Saturday morning here in Lexington, KY. And Daddy has the girls, so MP and I are gonna run some quick errands. I have to drop off an Amazon return. I tried to order some shoe stretchers, but for boots, and I can't seem to find any. These do not stretch out boots. I ordered a pair of Hunter boots in a kid size. They didn't have a big enough size for me, but they barely fit. I just want to stretch them out more. I don't want to return them because they were such a good price, so I'm just going to try to make them work. And then I have another pair of rag and bone boots that I've had for years. Michael got them for me for my birthday one year, and I need to stretch those out too because they're a little tight on me. I still wear them, but I'd love to stretch them out. So if y'all know or can recommend a pair of boot stretchers, that would be amazing. And then I've got to go pick up Michael's dry cleaning, and then maybe we will head to Target for a little bit. I'm not sure, but let's rock and roll. We just dropped off the Amazon package that we had to ship back, and now we are stopping by Target. What's the matter? Because I have a gift card. What's the matter? Say hi, everybody. Target was a major strikeout, but Bubby is in a better mood. He just was not feeling it earlier. We are headed into Whole Foods to pick up a few things, aren't we? Huh? Here we go. Bubby is down for a nap. He was super grumpy, so we got him to bed, and then the girls got back from getting donuts. Of course, y'all know this, McGee's with Daddy. And I wanted to show y'all, I've shown this to you guys in some of my favorite videos, but this is the best natural deodorant ever. It's the Love Vanilla in the scent Pure Vanilla. It's my favorite scent. I've tried other ones. This one just works so well. Absolutely love it. And I got this at Whole Foods. I think they sell it at Sephora, probably Ulta, I'm sure. And if you've never gone to dermstore.com, they are always having 20% off coupons. It's an amazing place to buy makeup, skincare, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm gonna put the girls to bed here in a few minutes. We have an AC guy coming because for some reason our AC stopped working. And I think it's because the capacitor is out. The fan wasn't spinning, and the capacitor, pretty sure, starts the compressor in the fan. But anyway, they're on their way over. I'm gonna try to get a little workout in, and then we are going to head to church tonight, and then we have dinner with one of my husband's work people because their son is gonna go to school at UK. Yeah, it's gonna be a good evening. We have lots going on, and I'm sure y'all are wondering why I keep wearing a hat. It's because my hair is so super dirty. I haven't washed it in forever. So hopefully I can get it washed tonight before church. This is the first time I think we've ever been early to church, so we are actually sitting in the car waiting a few minutes before we head in. Isn't that crazy?
Say it is.
There's somebody inside.
Yeah.
What?
There's somebody.
I know. Where are we going after church?
We're going to pizza place.
Are we gonna get some pizza?
You know.
We're going to Joe B's. We just got out of dinner. We just got out of church, and now we are headed to dinner. We have been here, I feel like, multiple times with y'all. We are at Joe B's again. Daddy has some people in from work, and we are taking them to Joe B's, which is one of Daddy's favorite places. So good. We made it to Joe B's, and we are just waiting on our company. We got out of church a little bit early, which is nice. And I don't know if y'all, if I've shown you everything, but this used to be an old church, and they turned it into a pizza / Italian place. It's one of the best pizza places in Lexington. We're up there. They made that in. Drop, Daddy. free off at the airport this morning, and now we are headed to Louisville to Aunt Kristen and Uncle Boo's house because today is Aunt Kristen's birthday, and we're going for a little birthday lunchy. And
the left hand, yes or no?
Do what?
Is this the left hand?
Yes, very good. And then we have the girls' orientation tonight, so we're gonna head to that tonight as well. So we have a good Sunday ahead of us. We just made it to Uncle Boo and Aunt Kristen's. They live like in Louisville, but in the city. It looks so pretty, or in the country. There's Aunt Kristen. Look how pretty their land is. I freaking love it. We're in the city, but the country at the same time, huh? And I just helped make some guacamole. Here's baby Kristen. Is it mommy's birthday today? Oh, yeah. Here's Uncle Coco. With Bubby. What do you do? Who's with you? Yeah. Allie Jane, are you having fun? Hello, sweet girl. How are you? And then Sadie Joe. Here's the birthday girl. What are you doing? Are you eating a peach? Huh? Yeah. There's the yummy burgers. And here is the grill master. Hello, grill master. I know. It looks good.
Done soon.
I know.
If the kids want them.
Yum. Oh, thank you, love. Kristen loves cookie cake, so look what Boo got her. That looks so good. I just finished tidying up the house. The kiddos are all already asleep. We had a long, tiring day, but a really, really fun, good day. And now I'm just trying to decide if I want to sit out here, maybe read a book, which I never do, go to bed early, or watch a movie or a show. I don't know. But yeah, it was a good day. It was a good weekend. Now we're ready for the week. The girls go to school on Thursday. So it'll be sad to have them gone, but it'll be good for them to get out and just do their own thing, have fun with friends, and get a little bit of independence from me. So I hope y'all have a good evening.